Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mugdha Ropde and welcome to the last and the final episode of my this year's birthday series. If you guys are new here, then you might not know that I had a birthday series starting from the 20th of September till the 11th of October, which was yesterday, and I had planned that this video would go up yesterday on my birthday, but things did not work out and I wanted to spend my time with my loved ones, so I took a day off. I hope that you guys don't mind it, but I'm really sorry about it, but I did not have any option, guys. And along with this birthday series, I had also hosted two giveaways, one for my Instagram and one for my YouTube, and I had told you guys that I would host the giveaways if I hit 1k before or on my birthday. So we have already hit 1k on my YouTube, so yes, there is a winner for my YouTube giveaway, and unfortunately we did not hit 1k on my Instagram, so we would be hosting that giveaway some other time. But don't worry, YouTube winner has been decided and I'm gonna be announcing the winner at the end of this video, so make sure you stick till the end to know who's the winner. I'm gonna make sure to link the whole playlist of all the 22 videos that I made in this birthday series in the end of this video, so make sure you stick till the end and binge watch all the videos if you have missed out on any of them. So today's video is just gonna be my birthday transformation pampering glow up 24 hours challenge, and this glow up literally took me 24 hours, you guys, and by that you might understand how detailed this glow up thing went, and I am so happy about how it turned out, because at the end of it I was looking like a glowing goddess. I have been seeing such kind of videos since past 1 year now, and I was so excited to make this video on my birthday. I was literally waiting for my birthday so that I could do this challenge, and finally it's here. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just quickly get started with my 24-hour birthday pampering transformation challenge. Hey you guys, so this is me looking like a mess and looking totally busted. As you can see, my hair looks shit, my skin looks shit, and I completely am a mess right here. My skin was breaking out, my hair was frizzy, so this is what I did to cure it. Firstly, I'm gonna start off with the hair mask. I'm starting off with hair section first because I don't want it to come in between my way while I'm doing my skin and body care. So I'm just gonna brush my hair through, actually comb it with the help of a wooden comb just to make sure it's not frizzy and tangled. Taking half a cup of conditioner, 2 teaspoons of coffee powder, 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder, and half a cup of brewed coffee. And then I'm just gonna mix it all together really well to form a paste like this, and I'm gonna apply it all over my hair from my roots to my hair length and throughout my tips. Coffee really helps to make sure to cleanse your scalp thoroughly and also leaves a nice brown tint on your hair, making it look like you have colored it. I'm twisting my hair up in a bun and I'm gonna let this mask rest for 40 minutes. Later, focusing on the body, I'm starting off with a body scrub. I'm taking 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 1 vitamin E capsule. I'm gonna mix it all together really well till it forms a runny paste like this. And then I'm gonna apply this mixture all over my body. This is much more easier when you do this before taking a shower without any clothes on. Basically, all you gotta do is just scrub all the dead skin off your legs, on your ankles, elbows, hands, and basically all over your body, including your armpits. I always exfoliate my body before I shave it, and that's why I'm using this Venus razor along with this Vow Tea Tree body wash. I'm gonna lather this up and then go in the opposite direction of my hair growth and then shave it. I'm using aloe vera gel as a shaving cream for my underarms as it is much more gentler. Once the hair mask had rested for 40 minutes, I took a shower and rinsed off my whole body with these products. I tied my hair in a turban like this, and then I bent over and started to give myself a massage and drying it at the same time. And I'm gonna use this aloe vera gel as a leave-on conditioner or a serum. I'm gonna middle part my hair and apply it on both the sides just to prep my hair for the further braids. I'm doing very tight French braids on both the sides because leaving them overnight would turn out into really beautiful curls. So I'm just gonna let them be in a braid and sleep. Now for the day 2, we are going to be focusing on the skin as the hair part is almost done. But the skin though, I have a lot of acne going on, a lot of open pores, blackheads, whiteheads, oily skin and so much more. I'm taking my hair away from my face and I'm starting off with facial shaving. I'm using this aloe vera gel as a shaving cream and I'm applying it all over the areas where I want to shave. I'm using this Tinkle razor. It is a really nice razor, very sharp, very affordable, and as you can see I have a lot of peach fuzz and hair going on all around my face. So I'm just gonna angle this razor in a slanting motion and drag it downwards, and you can see how much of hair and peach fuzz is coming out, and it is so satisfying, you guys. At the end of it, my skin was feeling so soft and it felt like a layer of pollution and dirt was coming off my face. I'm shaving near my mustache area, my sideburns, my eyebrows and also my forehead, and I'm taking off the hair using a cotton round, and I'm going in very carefully near my eyebrows because I already have very thin eyebrows and I don't want to mess it up. And once I've shaved off, my skin feels so soft, so fresh and feels like a new skin. The next step is teeth whitening. So I did this for the first time, but I did see a very slight result. I took some toothpaste along with some baking powder. I mixed both of them together like a concoction or a mixture and brushed like I usually would. I went in circular and upward and downwards motion. Did this for 30 seconds and that's it. Now for my facial cleanup, I'm using this RO Stars cleansing milk. It has aloe vera in it, so it is very calming, and I'm using it as a lubricant to give myself a nice massage. I'm applying very gentle pressure but also bringing back the blood flow back to my face. Now to tackle the blackheads and the whiteheads, I'm using this Biotique Papaya Scrub. I'm using very light pressure and scrubbing it off near my nose, my cheeks, chin and also my forehead. Then I'm gonna use this facial steamer and take a nice steam, and it feels so good, you guys. It opens up your pores and it is so much easier to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads after this step. This is so satisfying and relaxing and makes me feel like I'm chilling and doing a facial at a salon. Then I'm going to take a cotton round and get rid of all the scrub that I have on my face. Then I'm taking this extraction tool and getting rid of all the blackheads and whiteheads which are poking out after taking this steam. I'm not going to go in deeper and harm my skin and take out what does not want to come out. And now for my favorite step, the mask. I have one of my favorite. This is the Multani Mitti, Chandan, Aloe Vera and Rose Water mask. I'm just gonna make a paste like this and apply it on the perimeters of my face. And I'm also gonna apply this mask on my armpits as I want to make them a little brighter. Then I'm using this Plum Green Tea face mask. This is a beautiful clay mask, you guys. Every time I use it, my skin just feels very glowy. I'm gonna rest this for some time and then wash it off with some normal water. I'm gonna pat dry my skin and use this Plum Green Tea toner. I use it with my hands because I feel it absorbs into my skin much more efficiently that way. Then I use this Aloe Vera Gel by Patanjali and leave it on as a leave-on moisturizer, dragging this down on my neck as well. Now for my serum, I'm using the Blue Nectar's Kumkumadi Ayurveda Illuminating Serum. This is a beautiful serum. I'm using a patting motion on my skin and my skin looks so glowy just by a few drops. And because we used some chemical exfoliants in this process, I'm going to use a sunscreen by Biotique. And that is how my skin looks after I'm done with my skin pampering. Later, I'm gonna unbraid my hair, and as you can see, my braids have turned into beautiful curls, and I'm doing this on the other side as well. And I love this step because it is heatless and gives you beautiful results. Nobody could guess that these curls are heatless. And that is how my hair, skin and body looks after I'm done with my glow up. that was it for this video. I really hope you guys had fun watching this. I had so much fun filming this. So basically I shot this glow up challenge right after I finished filming all my 22 videos, and I was literally so stressed out, so drained out, and I really needed this glow up, and I'm so glad that I could do this. And now coming to the exciting part, announcing the YouTube giveaway winner. So the YouTube giveaway winner is Insha. I'm gonna be inserting her username on the screen right here. Insha, if you're watching this, thank you so much for taking your time out and watching my videos, commenting it, liking it, sharing it on your stories every single day. You have no idea how much it means to me, and girl, you're the best. You rocked it. You totally deserved it, and I cannot be more thankful and grateful. I love you and it means a lot to me. So Insha, please just DM me on my Instagram and I would connect with you about the giveaway over there. So yeah, with that we've come to the end of this video, guys. I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Till then, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment below, let me know what you guys think about it, and also go binge watch my birthday series if you have missed out on any of my videos. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being such a great support and being so sweet and helpful at the same time. I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.